Okay, so that's the wheel arch edges, just touched in along there. There was a little scratch at the top, touched that one in as well. Then there was a scratch in the door, if you recall, just through there. So very briefly I've kind of just by hand sort of lifted that, but we'd finish that off by machine, so that will go entirely. Just touch the scratch in at the back. You'd always get a little bit of reflection because the paint's fresh. Then there was a little bit more of a scratch in the back there, which has managed to lift, which is very good. I've touched in the marks on the back of the bumper. I'm trying to get the focus for you. Too shiny. There we go. There we are. So they're a lot less obvious to the eye now. I'll be honest, there's not been an awful lot I've been able to do with that one. I'm going to touch it in again, I think, just to again take your eye away from it a bit, but just the way that the light reflects. Then there was a little chip on the door handle, which is now almost gone if you didn't know it was there. But the pièce de résistance is the front bumper. I've just had a little run through with some hand polish, and really the reflection's gone from there. If you didn't really know it was there, you wouldn't be able to see it. Again, the bonnet, there's not much I can do with the bonnet, I'll be honest. I think I'd make it look worse if I touched it in. I can when you're here if you want me to, that's not a problem at all, but I think it would probably make it more obvious than not. And I have tried on the front near side corners of those two, but they're into the plastic, so a little bit more difficult to actually remove. Again, I think touching them in would probably make them a little bit more obvious than they are, but if you want me to do that when you're here, that's not a problem at all. But hopefully that rectifies it a little bit more for you. I'll catch up with you shortly.